Hi class, my name is Nikki Short and I am going to share my 8-week project with you. So I decided to do the art option and these are my 3 pieces. I chose environmental justice as my category and I show this within all 3 of my pictures. So we're going to start with my first picture. My artist's statement on this, I wanted to show how trash can affect and rule our world. So we own too many items. We throw away way too much. And so that is causing our environment to suffer. This is a pile of trash within, it could have been a meadow or just a green area. You can see the plants in the background, but this trash has piled up and at the top there's a skull and a crown. And this proves that the trash is ruling our world and is ruling our environment. My next painting or picture, I used color pencil, is to represent climate change. So this is to represent our carbon footprint on the world. My artist's statement for this piece is, if we do not change the way that we contribute to global warming, we will eventually ruin the world. We will leave a giant footprint. We already have. And we need to change that. I wanted to show that, you know, it's getting warmer, so I drew a huge sun. Also, the pollution in the air. Corporations need to do something about this. We pretend that it's a problem for everyday people to solve, which it is, but corporations have a huge carbon footprint. And if they eliminate some of the fossil fuels and trash and all these things that they are putting into the environment, we could stop or slow down climate change. And my last picture is, I wanted to talk about the recycling problem we have. So it's a tree that's dying and there's recyclable items that the tree is growing out of. My artist's statement for this piece is, the recyclable industry is dead. What I mean by this is, we are not recycling properly. We as Americans don't know how to recycle properly, and this is causing our environment to die. Things that should be recycled are mixed in with things that can't be recycled, and then everything ends up in the ocean. We are killing our world by not recycling properly. All 3 of my pictures show environmental justice. I'll give you guys a close-up look on these pictures. So we'll get with the, as you can see, the recyclable, the dead tree, and then carbon footprint with the world, and then how trash is taking over our world. When someone views these pictures, I want them to think twice about what carbon footprint they are leaving and what they can do to change our world, to make it greener, to slow climate change. I want these pictures to make people think, and I had a great time doing this project, and I hope people that come into my house see these and they can start a conversation. That's ultimately my goal. Thank you so much for listening.